Two, three.
Good morning and welcome to my channel, The NLB Life. I'm Nelson, and today I'm looking forward to getting with a group of riders, and we're going to take a multi-county ride through the countryside over to Tamarac Marina for lunch today. So looking forward to it. Seems like every day that planning a ride here this beginning of the year, there's rain in the predictions. So once again, there's a chance of some late afternoon showers, but hopefully we'll make this ride and be back in long before that happens. So stay tuned and check out the scenes of the day. Thank you for tuning in. Nell B on the road once again.
First to arrive on the ride is Buck. He's riding a beautiful Yamaha Raider. Next to arrive is my neighbor, Will Sauce Jones. He's on a Kawasaki.
All right, Sauce.
It's just three of us on this ride today, and we're going to take some back roads leading from Mecklenburg County over to Cabarrus County, and it's one of my favorite routes that's not too far, and it's always relaxing and enjoyable. The route we're taking starts in northwest Charlotte, and then we'll loop around the Lake Norman borders, and then on into Concord. And from Concord, we'll then go on into Salisbury. We're now entering the area of Salisbury, where Dunn's Mountain is found. It's a granite dome that is famous for this special kind of granite called Salisbury Pink, which you find in interior home decoration for countertops. And outside, externally, it's used for landscaping. So we're riding through this area. The dome's been worn down now, but there's a park there. It has an observation area where it's popular to go there. You can get a long-range view of the area, of the surrounding area. As we ride through this area of Rowan County, you find very little commercialized activities and buildings, but more so farmland, uh, horse and cows are prevalent, very open, very relaxing, and very pretty to see the landscape that we ride through. So enjoy the ride too as we're getting closer to our area that we'll be stopping for lunch. We're now approaching our lunch stop, which is at the Tamarac Marina, built along the shores of High Rock Lake. High Rock Lake is fed by the Yadkin River, and it's a popular destination for fishing and pleasure boating on the waterway there. They also have several bass competitions because the lake water is so clean and clear that it becomes a very popular place. High Rock Lake was created by the aluminum company of America, aka Alcoa, and it was used for hydroelectric generation. The marina has boating supplies, also a convenience store, and attached to that is a restaurant that has excellent food. It's called the After Dock. The restaurant is open to serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it has a good variety to choose from. And all of the food that I've had here is excellent. And most importantly, the service, the people are so friendly and very responsive.
All right. So I'm Harvest Tucker, co-road captains. Motorcycle name is Tuck. Been riding for going on 3 years now. Started out with the Harley 1200 Sportster, and now I ride a Yamaha Raider. Beautiful, good deal.
All right, hello everyone in the Nail B world. We're just trying to get in where we fit in. My name is Will Jones, aka Sauce, and I am the president of the Old School Riders Riding Club. We're a group of, we probably have about 25 brothers right now, and we're just a group of brothers who love to ride, fellowship, and more so we love getting out in the community and serving our community. All of us are family men. We involve our families in a lot of things that we do, but it's really just about coming together as people and just enjoying riding, enjoying ourselves, and again, you know, trying to do what we can for our community. Nell B is currently a great friend of the Old School Riders, and who knows what the future holds. You know, maybe he will come on up in there, but time will tell. But we would just like to thank him for all he does for not only Old School Riders, but all riders, letting the world know what we do, know about our world. So again, I'd like to thank him for everything that he has done and will continue to do. And it's definitely our pleasure just to be able to share our experiences today with you. Thanks a lot.
If I could just add to the distinction for us being a riding club versus a motorcycle club. As a riding club, we have people that ride motorcycles, we have people that have side-by-sides, we also have people with side-by-sides and slingshots. So it's a distinction between a motorcycle club and a riding club.
And where are you all based out of?
We're based out of Charlotte, but also we have members in South Carolina and Georgia.
How old is the club?
The club has been established for about 4 years. Last couple of years we've really seen major growth, and we are expecting continued growth in the very near future.
All right, well, great. Well, if you don't mind modeling a little bit, let's take a look at the logo.
Oh yeah.
And tell us about what we're seeing here.
All right.
What's the significance of what you got?
You can see heels back here,
right.
but as you can see, we are the old school riders. And if you see this brother right here with the afro, you can't get no more old school than that. Okay?
Sideburns.
And the sideburns.
Shaft.
There you go, got that shaft look to him. As you see, the 19th and the 44th. The 19th represents Juneteenth. And obviously, Juneteenth is when all of the slaves, and we celebrate that for all the slaves in Texas, when they found out, and they actually found out 2 years later that they were free. So the 19th is for Juneteenth, and the 44th. 44th is for our esteemed President of the United States, Barack Obama. He was the 44th president of this United States. So we celebrate Barack with the 44th there. And again, you see that we are an RC, a riding club, and we're about riding, fellowship, and community. We keep it simple, and we don't have any politics within the club. It's all about when you can ride, you ride. When you can't ride, you can't ride. But it's just about hanging out, having a good time, and also educating people with motorcycles. We're not one of those clubs where you have members who are out there acting a fool, especially on the crotch rockets. We enjoy our rides. We do most of our rides on back roads, on the mountains, the beaches. We try to stay off the interstate as much as possible and just enjoy the ride, enjoy nature. And tranquility is what it's all about. So that's pretty much the old school Riders Riding Club in a nutshell. We ask anyone who, if you're interested, please contact us. You can actually reach us at 704-277-3135. We do have a Facebook page. So if you're interested in joining us or learning more about us, let us know.
All right. Well, good deal. Well, thanks for sharing that info. And people, if you have an interest or if you ever see these folks out on the road, make sure you say hello.
All right.
All right. Stay tuned. We're going to continue this ride.
So after lunch, because there was still a potential of rain predicted to arrive sometime late afternoon or into the evening, we didn't want to chance too much, so we decided to head back. But again, we're going to take the off-highway, the off-interstate route back into Charlotte.
Okay, well, I'm happy to say I made it back home safely. It turned out to be a great ride. Went down to Tamarac Marina, just outside of Salisbury. We had a good ride, just 3 of us who went down. The food was great. I would recommend anybody who has a chance to be in that area to check out the Tamarac Marina. It's built on the high rock lake, and the food is great there. The service is always great. So it was just an absolute wonderful time to be out and riding, enjoying the day with good company, brotherhood. So thanks for watching. Hopefully in this time frame, sometime this year, we'll cross paths out on the road. But until the next time, Nell be out.